This is Lina Marcinczyk, and I'm going to be solving problem 71 from page 775 of chapter 15 on equilibrium. So the question says, coal, which is primarily carbon, can be converted to natural gas, primarily CH4, by the exothermic reaction carbon plus hydrogen gas in equilibrium with methane gas. And the question is, which disturbance will favor CH4 at equilibrium? So for this problem, we need to keep in mind the concept of Le Châtelier's principle, which says that when a chemical system at equilibrium is disturbed, the system shifts in a direction that minimizes the disturbance. So A says adding more carbon to the reaction mixture. And for this one, carbon is a solid, so it has a constant concentration, and therefore adding carbon to the reaction will have no effect on the position of equilibrium. So the answer to that one is no. B says adding more hydrogen gas to the reaction mixture. So increasing the concentration of a reactant causes the reaction to shift right, so it will create more product. So adding more hydrogen gas to the mixture would favor CH4. So the answer to that one is yes. C says raising the temperature of the reaction mixture. So since this is an exothermic reaction, we can also look at it as carbon plus hydrogen gas in equilibrium with methane gas plus heat, because heat is given off. So in this case, we're thinking of heat as a product. So increasing the temperature would be the same as adding more product. So in this case, the reaction will shift left to balance the disturbance of increased temperature, and so this would not favor formation of methane gas. Next one says lowering the volume of the reaction mixture. Lowering the volume of a reaction mixture is the same as increasing the pressure on the system. So increasing the pressure causes the system to favor the side with less moles to balance the disturbance. And in this case, the side with less moles is the product side with methane gas. So in this case, the formation of methane gas is favored. E says adding a catalyst to the reaction mixture. We know that adding a catalyst does not change the concentration of reactants or products. It would just speed up the reaction in both directions, so the equilibrium is not affected. So the answer to that one is no. F, adding neon gas to the reaction mixture. In this case, neon gas is not involved in the reaction, so adding it to the mixture will not change the equilibrium. So the answer to that one is no. So overall, our two answers are B and D. So B, adding more hydrogen gas to the reaction mixture will favor the formation of methane gas. And D, lowering the volume of the reaction mixture will also favor the formation of methane gas. And that's how you think about this problem.